Ambunge kuma gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Mt.Kenya arĩa manyitaga mũnini wa president gĩturwa Kindiki mbaru maugĩte no mũhaka agakorwo iratathi-inĩ kana arĩ thĩinĩ kana no nginya agakorwo itari-inĩ rĩa o president ta mũtirithia wa president William Ruto akorwo president ni arenda kura cia kĩrĩma. Ambunge maugĩte Kindiki nĩ ateithĩtie wabici ya mũnini wa president na agateithĩrĩria president gũkorwo akĩruta wĩra mĩeri-inĩ 15 ĩrĩa akoretwo wabici. Matĩtĩrithĩtie gĩturwa kĩa mũnini wa president gĩtirarĩrĩrio rĩrĩ kĩama kĩa ODM kiugĩte no mũhaka gĩthukĩrwo gĩturwa kĩu akorwo nĩ gĩgũkorwo ngirimiti-inĩ cia ciama cia ODM na UDA.
We now, the elected leaders, drawn from the counties that I had mentioned before, take note of the ongoing discussions in the political scene and demands made by our brothers and sisters from the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, in relation to the entrenchment of broad-based arrangements ahead of the 2027 general election. From the onset, we affirm our support for Deputy President Kithure Kindiki and reiterate that he is the best man for the job now and even in the future. That's our position, which we have proposed to the Kenyans. And in the last 15 months, he has demonstrated quality, constructive, and inclusive leadership with utmost loyalty, stood with and supported President Ruto in fulfilling the pledges made by the Kenya Kwanza administration as outlined in the bottom-up economic agenda, the better, and with unfailing dedication followed up on the implementation of government projects and programs across the country. We insist that in Professor Kindiki, the Deputy President's position found not only the right man, but very qualified and befitting that office, and also equally very competent and a very humble leader. As the adage goes, if it is not broken, do not fix it. Professor Kindiki is and remains most competent, and we dare say most qualified. He's very qualified and a deserving person to hold the position of Deputy President today, tomorrow, and even beyond August 2027. Our support for President Ruto is unequivocal. We support his re-election bid in the August 2027 presidential race on the United Democratic Alliance ticket, with Professor Kithure Kindiki as his running mate ahead of the general elections. We welcome structured and inclusive deliberations with our brothers and sisters from ODM and all other like-minded political comrades and parties, guided by the desire for continuity and consistency in the implementation of transformative programs and projects initiated by the Kenya Kwanza government.